Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab H2D laser module not detected error, connection and driver fix guide. Fix 1. Fully reseat and lock the laser module. Turn off the printer and move the quick release lever to the unlock position. Now align the laser module with the tool head guide rails and slide the module straight down until it is fully seated. Then check that the click mark on the module aligns with the reference line on the tool head. Then push the quick release lever firmly into the lock position before powering the printer back on. Fix 2. Secure the module cable and air assist tube. Open the dust-proof cover on the tool head and verify that the laser module connector is fully plugged into the data port. Disconnect and reconnect the connector several times to remove minor oxidation or debris from the contacts. Check that the black air assist tube is securely connected between the filament buffer and the laser module. Fix 3. Inspect the internal tool head cable. Power off the printer, then remove the extruder front cover and ensure the flat FPC ribbon cable is fully inserted into its connector. Check that the cable is not pinched, bent, or rubbing against the metal frame. Then reassemble the tool head and restart the printer. Fix 4. Restore factory settings and reinstall the module. On the touch screen, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Restore Factory Settings. And allow the printer to restart. Then reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi if required, and reinstall the laser module and complete the initial laser setup and calibration process. Fix 5. Check the bird's eye camera. The H2D's bird's eye camera works together with the laser system during setup and calibration. Make sure the camera is connected properly. Inspect the camera lens for dust, smoke residue, or fingerprints. Then clean the lens gently using a lens-free cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Then restart the printer and try detecting the laser module again. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.